Gonna go play in the lake. Can I come? No, I'm doing it by myself. The code word if you're in trouble is macaroni. Okay,
what do you want?
This is gonna be fun. Gonna go down into the lake. Okay, saw this lake earlier today. Now I'm going to conquer it. Okay, the stream is really strong. I just gotta get down there. Those are some raging rivers. I'm gonna have to just jump in. Kind of worried. Though I don't hear macaroni yet, so he's not in trouble. Okay. This isn't gonna end well. Where? Now I'm stuck under. Where? I'm on the move! Where? No. Oh no! I'm stuck. Now I'm stuck again. Guess I'll just have to move. Yeah! Yes! I'm stuck again. Moving a little bit by a little bit. Now, floating off. Okay, now I'm down to the riverbank. Ooh, look at this slide. I'm gonna try it.
Oh yeah, this is fun.
Time to go back to the start. Okay, a little farther back. Now we're gonna start again. Drowning. It's going fast. It's going super duper fast. This is so weird. Oh no. What's going on? Now we're in the deeper areas. Man, now I'm just floating. Whoa. Oh, why'd they even think this was, like, trouble? Time to swim. I'm going to start again because it is so short. Maybe I'll take that way now. All right, yeah, we'll try. Okay. Yeah. Ow. Faster! Okay, now I'm good. Just taking a little float break. Okay. Warning, King, you're gonna face a speed bump. But the King of Demons is never stop. Now I'm drowning. Macaroni! Macaroni! I need to get out of here. Okay. Sleeves on me. Now I gotta find my way out. Now I'm walking, not floating. Okay, now we're out. Ooh, this slide. Maybe I should do it again. Yeah, why not? Just get out from there. Okay, I'm out, but now I'm wondering if there's any more streams. So we're going to the other side of the lake. I already screamed the code word, but they didn't even hear, so what's the point? Wah! 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 Speed bump. The king of demons is back, and he swims. Go back up. Creepy stump. Wah! Now I'm gonna run back up. Guys, I screamed the code word! Macaroni! Oh, King, you're back. You're soaked. Why? I went in. Why did you do that? It was fun. I called the code word. Didn't answer.